Welcome back to Thursday Night Racing. This is the 2020 Hot Rods Club Championship. Let's look at tonight's program. First up, we have the current club champion. This is Toon Tracks Racing in the Mod Rod. He's a tough competitor right here on Mount Western Raceway. Can he make this 3 wins in a row? Let's find out. And next up, right out of the USA, we have Show Me State Scale Auto Racing in the 32 Ford. We know how well the 32 Ford goes around this track. Can he make this his first win tonight?
Race 1. It's Toon Tracks Racing in the Mod Rod. All the 32 hit hard.
Toon Tracks is right out front early with his first win, and that was a big hit by that 32 Ford.
Race 2. Winner is Toon Tracks Racing again in the mighty Mod Rod.
Couple of big hits right on that back wall there. This is a very close race. Show Me State Scale Auto Racing is right on the heels of the Mod Rod.
Race 3. DNF. Oh, Show Me State's on his roof. Can we get a medic and a tow truck?
Toon Tracks Racing right there, blocking the 32 Ford from any chance of overtaking him.
Let's go again. Race 4. Winner! Show Me State Scale Auto Racing in the 32 Ford. A big slam on that back wall.
That was a big hit on that back wall. That's almost going back 1.5 meters. Show Me State with his first win out of race 4.
Race 5. Winner is Show Me State Scale Auto Racing. All these guys are at it.
Well, Show Me State Scale Auto Racing levels things out in race 5. Unbelievable racing right here on Mount Western Raceway.
Race 6. It's Show Me State Scale Auto Racing in the 32 Ford. There's some big hits tonight.
Not wrong there, there were some big hits against that back wall. Well, there you go. Toon Tracks Racing has lost his cup. It now goes to Show Me State Scale Auto Racing with a 3-2 win out of race 6. Here's your leaders board. Mark D and Toon Tracks Racing are right out front with 2 wins each in the 2020 Club Championship. Let's wrap it up. And here we are at top of race 1. Is some Mod Rod comes out early out of the start gate. Here comes the 32 Ford. He puts his foot on the gas right here and just leaves his run too late, and this just leaves the win right open to the Mod Rod. Couple of big hits right there on that back board. Look how far back that 32 Ford goes. Race 2, you can tell the 32 Ford has picked up some points from the Mod Rod in the first race. And here comes the Mod Rod though, just floors it and crosses the line for his second win. It's racing like that will secure you the club championship. Look how they hit the back here. And they just come to a dead stop. Classic. Race 4, and I thought Toon Tracks Racing had this all sewn up. Blocks the 32 Ford, slides, the 32 Ford sees the opening and he floors it. Look at him go. Goes up high out of turn 2, comes out alright, crosses the line for his first win. Nice looking hot rod this one. It will be interesting to see this year how many 32 Fords enter the competition and how many actually make it into the top 8. And this is top of race 6, pretty even coming down the back there. They both go high in that turn 1, goes down low in and out of turn 2 and crosses his line for the treble. There you go, there's your new club champion, Show Me State Scale Auto Racing. And Toon Tracks Racing, we will see you again very soon, perhaps in the mod rod or another car. Show Me State Scale Auto Racing holds the cup up high and is a very proud first winner on MWR. Don't miss next Monday night where we have wheel collectors driving the Cruise Bruiser on behalf of NZ Racing Team. Has this car, has this driver, have they got the commitment to take on the 32 Ford? Stay tuned for Monday night, 5 PM Aussie time.